Good morning, guys. It's 12:15. Good morning. Oh no, good afternoon, guys. Get it right, get it right. My daughter and I, we are heading off to get our trifle stuff. And it's so hot outside. Anyway, we are going to go have a bit of shopping, get this barbecue stuff together. And I hope we don't miss out on anything. Otherwise, if you miss out on something, it's not like a complete barbecue. Right? Guys, come and join us. Yes? She goes, my friends watched the video thingy. It doesn't she guess. How dare she? I tell her. Oh, it's mine. Oh, excuse me, guys.
Hi, guys. So, we are where we are at the moment. We're at the petrol station. Oh, I think we're at the petrol station. And we're getting petrol because my sister borrowed my mom's car and didn't fill it. So, Sharon, when you watch this.
Why did you do that? Look where we end up. In Big W. Because someone didn't try out her pants. We have to bring it to swap the size. Because she's gained a bit of beef, guys. She's gained a bit of beef. So we have to wait our turn. This one.
And my pants.
See? What makes it worse? She doesn't have a receipt. This one. You know when you go to a shop, right? You always must check. Oops.
Wow, Mom.
You did that. You always should check the size. See how it says 14, but it's on a hanger 16. So you always must check it yourself. Otherwise, you're going to end up going home and it's the wrong size. But in her case, that one over there, I told her size 14, and she goes still pick size 12. She's no longer a 12, especially in these tight pants. Well, I noticed there's no music in the shop. Good. That means I didn't get any copyright. Right?
Yeah, right.
Right.
Oh, look at that sexy lady right there. Oh, 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 oh.
Where are you going? Oh,
Socks. So we're getting socks because, you know, when school went by, we didn't wash our socks, so now we have to get socks. These are the socks.
you will hurry up and get your socks.
Which one do you think is good? I let Mom pick it.
This one.
Yeah, I like you know these ones.
Why ask me?
Because I was gonna see what you said.
What about this one? Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
It's better.
Daddy.
Okay.
$5.
Get two for you.
What size am I? You say it because I have to listen to you when I give my size.
Yeah. This is your size, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Oh, this one. What size? 5'8". Yeah, they're 5'8". 5'8".
I don't think that's my
Galore?
size.
Yeah, get two. Get two.
Okay, so that's mine.
Yes, it is.
We forgot to get a basket. 5'8", 5'8",
It's up for your sister.
5'8". They're all 5'8".
They're all 5'8". Move down here a bit.
There's still 5'8".
What?
There's 5'8". No, they're all 5'8".
Oh yeah, there.
They're only like 5'8".
These are Galoras. 911. Don't zoom up to me.
Noah is.
Noah is 911. Stop it, Geneva.
Mama,
Geneva.
I want some pajamas.
Oh. No, we're going past. Let's go.
Here, pajamas, Mama. Oh, this one is awesome. Where are we going? Where are we going, lady? Oh, those are comfy.
Yeah, they're comfy.
Oh, they are? Oh, here's Noah's socks.
Noah's the really... Yeah, 16. Even these are not, but never mind. Better than nothing. I'll get them 2 please.
Yep, 2 each.
Oh, they're small.
There's more? Oh, yeah.
This one goes up to 11, something 11. What about this one? Oh, no. I like all black, then we don't have to, you know.
Yeah, because we always complain when we don't have all black, you know.
Yeah, you guys complain, not me.
Oh, well, I guess you know us really well, don't you, lady?
Oh, yeah. There. These are the ones.
Is he going to be annoyed about the black line? I'm trying.
Yeah. Anyway, okay.
Because that's your little princess.
Here's my princess.
Oh.
I don't care. My son is my princess.
I'm your princess too. I'm your queen. Ooh.
Okay, selling makeup, perfumes. Because guys, it's nearly Christmas.
Yeah, what are you getting for me for Christmas?
You know the drill, nothing.
Oh. We should do that thing where you give us a booklet and you just say whatever you want. We should do that again.
Well, that stopped because you guys don't even need anything.
Do?
No, you don't. Look at that place, the cave. It's called the cave, and it's for barber. You know, for men to come and look good looking when they, you know, man, they got their hair cut. Oh, they look handsome. What was this all in a mop? I don't know. Some people suit. Geneva. Oh, look, the shop is closed.
What is it?
It was the juice before. Hey, don't touch. Don't. You thought it was the diamond necklace. Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to Rose, guys. Bye. That's what you say.
Okay, I hear music.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know. Copyright. Oh, they've got this area good. Because it used to be, yeah.
Let's go.
So we're going to, you go and get us a trolley. Please get one that obeys. There's a trolley. Hopefully she gets a trolley that listens, you know? One that obeys. Does it listen? Is it an obedient one? Okay. Now we're gonna go for what? Custard, sponge cake. Yeah, sponge cake could be here. Just hope there's some, eh? Oh, it doesn't look like it's far out. Look around, look around. I hope there is a sponge cake because far out. I don't even want to go looking for a sponge cake. Come on. No donut. We're going to come looking for donut, baby. We're looking for sponge cake. Yeah, it's got to be sponge cake. Oh yeah, it might be the next aisle. Come on in, let's go. Gotta look for sponge cake. Because guys, I'm making a family a trifle today. I'm making it today, but it has to set for tomorrow. Pardon? Oh, we're not here for donkeroos. I like donkeroos. Okay. Well. Okay. I'll just grab a couple of these. Oh bugger.
Do we need bread?
No, someone bought a bread. Positive. Okay, I don't see anything here. I think we should go back and look for it. Well, you stay here. I'll go and get it. No, no. Geneva. No. Yeah, I got the sponge cake, guys. Look. Bam. They didn't have it on the shelf, but I asked them at the back to see if they have one, and they did. So, I got lucky. That's fine. No, that's right. Yeah, thank you. No, that's all, thanks. Look at this. Good for chowder. It's good for chowder, guys. Yum, yum. They even have oysters going for $9. They're not very big, but if you want a flavour of the oysters, it's right there. All this yummy salmon. Oh, sorry. Can I have about 6 pieces of salmon, please? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day. Look at this big steak, guys. Imagine getting that. That's really massive. And you know how to cook it? One day I'm going to buy this and do me a mukbang. It's so full here today, guys. Got a lot of people doing their shopping. Yes. Oh, come here. There's plastic bags. Oh. Are you sure? It might have been in the back seat or something. Okay, yeah, come on. Geneva, I have to get custard.
Can you go get custard? I go get chips.
What are you going to get? Chips?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah,
You know what we're looking for, guys? Anyway, I want to make
No, I want to make a watermelon drink.
I already got the watermelon before you said it, woman. Anyway, I want to make a watermelon water.
Slices of
Watermelon drink. You know, island stars. So push it to the side here so people can pass.
You in the next aisle.
Okay, there it is, up there.
I'll get it, Mommy. Don't worry.
No, crush. Pineapple crush. Get 3 cans, please.
1, 2.
Oh, and get one of
Okay.
these ones down here. Crush pineapple. Pineapple syrup.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I hope it's sweet. Okay, we'll get that one.
Get condensed milk.
Can you stop telling them our secret?
Get salt and pepper.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I got all that. Now, just have to get the cream. Okay, gotta get the cream. Cream. Where are thou? Where are thou, cream? There. Man, stop putting more stuff into the trolley.
90 cents, baby.
Don't baby me. Seafood.
So this choice is I think now.
Oh, can you go down and find me some skewers? You know, the mini ones? It'll be down where the party thing is. Yeah. The barbecue party stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I'll get a paper towel. Huh? Just, but no, I'm just going down here. Shh. Geneva, go down that way. Go where the barbecue stuff is.
Get tissue.
Don't tell me what to do. I'm getting tissues. Oh, 6. Yeah, I'd rather get 6. Oh boy, our trolley's getting full. Not good for the budget. Oh, where? Okay, cream. There's a cream, man. No, I haven't been shopping. Oh, there it is. Hiya. Got it. Oh, this Charlie is not obeying. Charlie's not listening. I got the cream, guys. Got the cream. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah. I'm gonna go look for that girl. Ooh, this Charlie, guys. Oh, so hard to push. That's why it's making me guys dizzy with my camera. Anyway, I better go looking for her. Oh, okay, I think I stopped. Oh wait, right here. Oh no, I didn't get the custard. Oh, okay, never mind. Look at the custard, where's custard? Come here. Yeah, that's the one. Come. Run. But okay, I've got to go and get the custard. Stay here and start loading our shopping. Now I'm looking for the custard. Should be down here where these stuff is. Ooh, I can see it. I see you. I ain't got time to make the pot one. You know, the hot one? Got no time to do that one. Got the custard. Okay, I gotta transfer money. Watch it, woman.
Oh, look, that's sexy lady. Mom, do the shopping fast. There, Lale, mommy. Yeah. Oh. This is like Tetris right here, mama. Sophie, drop from behind. Oh, good mom. It's gonna fall out.
Oh, give me a go. corny.
Do I cut it off there?
Yes, I think so. $227 later. Hey, Geneva. Because you put in extra stuff. That $27 is yours. Okay, woman.
Chocolate milkshake for you,
Yeah, okay. Come on. Let's go. We're in people's way. Okay. Wait here then. I'll go and get us a chocolate.
Ice chocolate.
Oh, you want to go get it?
Yeah. No, wait, no.
You can get it. Please. Excuse you. You can go get it. Yeah, hold it. Geneva's going to go get us a iced chocolate. Hey, I'm shouting you, okay? So, yeah, look at her. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Stop it.
You go get the money and then you pay for it. And you
Stop.
go get it.
She's going to go get us a chocolate.
Oh, I thought you threw it.
I'm not like you. Bye. Iced chocolate, please, with a little bit of cream. Dust it on top with a little bit of that powdery stuff. Ay. Never mind about you moving up. Yes, hey guys, guess what? We're having this barbecue thing tomorrow for Labor Day. We're meeting up with family. Hopefully my brother comes as well. I wish my sister was here from Melbourne already so we can go to this barbecue. We're going to have some games. I want to play a game. I think there was winning prizes. We should get some winning prizes.
Like, you win this, you get solutions.
Get all the $5 notes. Whoever wins get a $5. Hey, back in the days, winning $5 is like you won no. Winning $5 back in the days is like you won like 50 bucks. 50. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. 50 bucks back in the days, guys. It's like you can buy a house, a car, swimming pool, so much. So guys, we're going to have that nice barbecue tomorrow. God willing, he's going to give us a lovely day. My cousin's wife said that she already checked the weather and it's going to be fine. Oh, all these people there, Charlie. Woo.
What is noises?
Oh, the noise.